Imagine you just made a call and earned 12,516 naira from that single call. And the best part is this call was completely done for free. Well, this is how users earn on Nextel Connect, and in this video I'll be breaking down everything on how you can earn on Nextel Connect. Before I go further, I need you to pay attention to every information I have for you in this video, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss a single detail. Now, welcome to this video. My name is Koide, and in this video I'll be talking about Nextel and how you can earn from it. Starting with, what is Nextel? Nextel is a regulated telecommunication virtual communication service provider, but what makes Nextel different and unique is their reverse billing system, which enables users like you and me earn a percentage of money spent on calls and messages on both incoming calls and outgoing calls. Nextel also offers services like fiber and wireless broadbands, network top-ups, and eSIMs. Now, talking about eSIMs, to become a member on Nextel, you need a Nextel eSIM. Now, what is a Nextel eSIM? A Nextel eSIM is a unique virtual number that authenticates and verifies you as a member on Nextel. This gives you access to earning 12,580 naira per 20-minute call on Nextel. It also gives you access to 10 virtual numbers, so immediately after registration you also get an extra 10 virtual numbers that can be used for whatever you want, and access to potentially becoming a distributor on Nextel, which pays a monthly salary of 150,000. Now, I'm talking about how you can earn from calls and messages on Nextel. Now, on Nextel, they classify these calls based on basic and premium calls. Now, I'm talking about the basic calls. You get paid 1,650 naira for every 5-minute call and 6,600 for every 20 minutes call, while for the premium calls you earn 628 naira for every minute and 12,580 naira for every 20 minutes call. Now, this is as a result of the reverse billing system built on the system, meaning you get paid as other people make calls basically. Also, you earn through sponsored messages, where you get paid for receiving messages from companies and viewing them or performing an activity on those messages and earning from them. You earn over 10k for every 20 sponsored messages. And speaking of, how can you get registered on Nextel? To get registered on Nextel, you need to get an eSIM. Now, to get access to this eSIM, all you have to do is to click on the link down in the description and follow the instructions or follow the process. Now, before that, you need to take note of this. Nextel has two eSIM plans, which is the Diamond eSIM, which costs 10,500 naira to activate, and the Royal eSIM, which costs 17,500 to activate. Based on access level and potential earnings, the Royal eSIM works best for me. Now, immediately after registration, you get access to your dashboard, where your earnings will be accumulating and you can withdraw daily. Here are a few testimonials from my students and other users on Nextel. And these are few withdrawals you can see right here. These withdrawals are, you can check their date and time. They are very recent, and this shows that the platform really pays users. Now, to get registered on Nextel and start earning, click on the link in the description. I'll show you guys how to access the description. Once you click on that link, you follow the process. It's very simple. After doing that, if you face any problems during your registration, you can easily contact me with my Telegram link down in the description. Or if you need me to assist you for your registration process, you can also contact me with the Telegram link down in the description. Now, before I end this video, take note that immediately after your registration, it will take a short waiting period for your SIMs to be activated, and immediately after that you will start earning on your account. Also, added to that, there are very limited slots for registration on Nextel. Immediately the slots are booked, new users cannot get access to the platform again. So if you are seeing this right now, you are very lucky and you can get on board on Nextel right now and start earning. So if you're ready for registration, message me with the Telegram link down in the description and I'll guide you through on how you can get registered. And immediately after registration, I will also guide you through on how you can earn. So which means I will be giving you full mentorship and full guidance on exactly what I've been doing and what my students have been doing to make money on Nextel. So I think that will be all for the video. Do well to like and subscribe to the video. and I'll see you guys in my next video.